we will learn CSS cascading style sheet. I will discuss how you can make great looking websites with the help of a styling language called CSS. So first of all, I will discuss inline style. So let's create a HTML file. I have opened the folder in the Visual Studio Code. Just use boilerplate. Okay, and here you can see the body. Let's create h1 tag, and in the h1 tag you can write anything, my website for example, and just create another h2 tag, and here you can write anything, welcome to the website, let's say. Now open this website in the right click on the Visual Studio Code and open with live server, and first of all save it. And when you open this website in the live server, you can see like this. Now we will apply some inline CSS to this my website, and welcome to the website. We will apply inline style to the h1 tag and h2 tag. So very simple. So what we will do, just simply we will use the style equals to we will use color for example, and let's say color is pink, and for the h2 tag I will use, let's say, style equals to I will use background color, and background color suppose dark green. Very fine. Okay, so save it and go to the browser and refresh it, and you can see you can apply the styles to the tags. So see, you can see h1 tag and it is the h2 tag. And if you want to apply more, more style, you can also combine more than one style. For example, in the h1 style color is pink, and if I want to set a background color here, so background color, and suppose I want to use dark green color, I can apply multiple styles by separating them with the semicolon. It's very easy. And let's save it and open it in the live server. You can see we can apply more than one style to the tags. So these are the inline style. You can use inline styles like that. Another inline style that I am going to use is the font properties style. So let's create a paragraph P, and I will create the random dummy text. For that I will use lorem, for example lorem 7. This is the first paragraph I have created, and suppose another paragraph, and here I will use lorem, let's say 16, and another paragraph, and here I will use lorem, let's say 32, and another paragraph, and here I will use lorem 64. Now I will apply the font styles to these paragraphs so that you will be able to understand. So let's refresh it and see, these are the 4 paragraphs I have created: first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph, and fourth paragraph. And I am just using the dummy text lorem text. Okay, and now I want to apply font properties. So first of all, for first paragraph I will use font size. So I will use font size, and font size, let's say 60 pixel. And now go to the browser and let's refresh, and you can see the first paragraph font size has been increased. In this tutorial I will explain all the tags, all the styles in detail. So and then we will create some good looking websites. First of all, let me explain all the styles. So this is the first paragraph. You can see the font size has been increased to 60 pixel. Okay, and next, for the next paragraph, let's use style equals to let's use font family. Okay, font family. So font family that I will use, you can see the suggestions. So font family that I will use is Courier New. This font family I will use, and go to the browser, and let's refresh it. You can see the second paragraph font family has been changed. Okay, let me change the font size of first paragraph to 20 pixel. Okay, and for the third paragraph, as you can see, let me change the font style. So see, I have discussed font size property, font family property. Okay, and you can also read the reference of the any property. And now for the third paragraph, I will use the font style. So I will use font style, and font style that I will use is it is also giving you the suggestions. So font style that I will use is italic, and let's save it, and okay, and then go to the browser and refresh it, and see the first paragraph font size has been changed, and second paragraph font family has been changed, and for the third paragraph font style has been changed. Now it is italic. And similarly, if you want to use another font property for fourth paragraph, let me use style. Let me use style equals to, and here I will use font weight, and font weight that I will use is bold. Okay, and now go to the browser and then refresh it, and you can see the fourth paragraph font weight has been changed. So this way you can apply the inline styles to your website. And second thing that I will use a style tag. So see, this is the first way of using inline first way of using CSS is inline styles, and second is you can use style tag. If you want to apply a style to more than one tag, then you can use style tag. And for that, let's create a new page. Let's say its name is index2.html, and go to the just create a boilerplate. Okay, and okay, fine. Okay, so here if I want to use a style tag. Okay, so for the style tag that you will use the style tag in the head tag. So here I will use the style tag. Okay, and now let's go to the body and create some page. So I will use h1 tag, and in the h1 tag, let's say I will use welcome to my website. Okay, so see, this is the h1 tag, and I want to apply the style to this h1, and for that I will go to the style tag, and here I will use h1, and here I will apply the style. So in the h1, for example, let's say I want to apply the style, let's say font family, and say Helvetica. Let's say, okay, yeah, I will use this font family, and similarly I can use a color to dark gray, let's say. Okay, and here, okay, so now open this site open with the live server. So this is the index2, and see the style has been applied to the h1 tag. A font is changed, and the color is changed. Okay, so let's see. And now suppose there is another paragraph. Let's say paragraph is let's say lorem 16, and another paragraph, let's say, and here I will use lorem 8. Okay, and go to the browser, refresh it, and see there these are two paragraphs. in my page, and I want to apply a style to these paragraphs. So in what if we use inline style, we have to apply inline style to all the paragraphs. But in the case of this style tag, using style tag, I can apply a style to paragraph tag simply. So I will use paragraph tag, and here I will apply the styles. For example, let's say I will use font family fantasy, okay, and let's say color you can use is red, okay. Go to the browser, refresh it, and you can see the styles has been applied to all the paragraphs. So very simple. Okay, so next what I can do, let's say there is another tag, let's say here, okay, I will use another tag here. So let's say there is another tag h3, write anything, you will learn CSS, let's say, and I want to apply the style to this. So here then I will use h tag, and here I will use, for example, color is let's say you can use any color, let's say color is purple, and font weight let's say bold, okay, fine, and font style, let's say italic. So this is another way of applying the style, and font style is italic. And let's refresh it, and you can see the style has been applied to the h3 tag. And if you want to apply a style to the body tag, let's say you want to apply style to the body tag, you can simply use body, and here let's say let's change the background color first. So background color, let's say light blue, okay, fine, and color let's say black, okay, and go to the browser and refresh it, you can see. And if you don't apply a style to any tag, then the default color will be black, okay, because the color you have set the color in the body tag to the black. So this way you can apply a style to the using style tags. So very simple. And so see, I have applied style to the paragraph tag, and see paragraph tag I have applied the style, okay, fine, and it has been applied to all the paragraphs. But what if I want to apply a different style? I want to apply different style to this paragraph, and this paragraph I want to apply different CSS. Then we will use the class property that we will learn later. So far I have discussed how you can use style tag, and how you can use inline styles. So very simple. Next, in the next video, we will discuss how you can apply a CSS using another file, style.css, that we call external CSS. How you can apply the external CSS to your website, that we will learn in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.